As you know, I'm in the process of checking out a lot of perfumes and testing out perfumes from our friends at ScentSplit. And ScentSplit is the place to go when you want to try perfumes you've never heard of, you've never seen in the store. Maybe you just don't live near a place that carries any of those things. The best way to test them out is on you, on your skin, in person, and you can buy different perfume sample sizes like 2 ml or 5 ml. And then if you fall in love with it, you buy the full-size bottle. And so I'm going to be speed testing through some of these perfumes, and I don't know what's in this box, but I'm going to speed test through some of them and see, is there something in here that stands out that I just have to have? And I feel like a lot of the perfumes here are from this company called Jijide. It's like a toss-up between Jijide and Sazva. And I didn't realize how many perfumes Sazva has. To be honest, they have quite a lot of good perfumes, and I have some of their full-size bottles already, so I'll probably save the Sazva for another day, but until then, I'm just going to be speed reviewing through some of the Jijide perfumes. Starting with this one. This is called Shaoguan. Again, ultra light perfume. This is not the kind of perfume that feels like when you put it on, everyone will smell you. This is one that you need to like take your time to dive in really deep. I'm picking up on some citrus notes and maybe some slight florals, but nothing else. Next one is Sin Fan. So C-I-N Fan. It's hard to tell what these smell like, but I do think that this one right here is going to be a good one. It's very light. Again, these are all on the light side, except for the few that I've tried that are like, holy smokes, are loud. But this is on the lighter side. Again, fresh. A lot of these are fresh, citrus, almost like there's yuzu in every single one of these. But I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Next one is called Rizzo, R-I-S-O. I think I know what this smells like. Yep, I was right. It's rice. It smells like rice, and it's freaking good. Oh, wow. It smells like legit cooked rice. I'm actually hungry smelling this. It's ridiculous. Did I do Lian Yan? I don't think I did Lian Yan. Nope, I didn't do Lian Yan. This one is also a bright, citrusy, aromatic woody. That's a very pleasant, very uplifting citrus. Maybe ginger might be in that as well. Then there's Foco. Foco, I think I know what this will smell like, because if this, yep, I knew it. It smells like smoke. Foco to me is fire. That's the word for fire. And I knew it because it's fire. It's smoke. It smells like cade. It's very heavy, smoky perfume. But what's interesting is that it's heavy, smoky, but also comforting smoky, not smoky to the point of being annoying, you know? So very well done. Okay, I'll do this last one. This is called O-L-T-R-E, Oltre. Let's see what this is. Okay, now we're getting into some stronger perfume, that's for sure. It's very detergent-y smelling. Synthetic, yes. It's not my cup of tea, but that's why you can sample. Go sample them at ScentSplit and tell them Joe sent me. Take care.